911 address signs have to be really tough and really easy to see, and our signs excel on both accounts. Our signs are made of 80 mil thick rust-free aluminum. That's the same material used for speed limit signs on the highway. These signs have to be tough because they're usually posted right near street traffic. Our 80 mil signs are just thicker than a lot of our competitors' flimsier signs. Our signs use reflective films from the 3M company, indisputably the best reflective materials available on the market. And that means you don't have to worry about overglow or halation, that bright blur you sometimes see with lesser reflective signs. We have 3 grades of reflectivity. Engineer grade is the most common in North America. High intensity grade shines up to 4 times brighter, especially from an angle. And diamond grade, which shines up to 12 times brighter, is the best bet for areas with lots of other visual distractions. We often get asked the question, which is the easiest to see? And the answer is diamond grade aluminum in black. The contrast makes this sign visible from a maximum distance. We make it simple to customize your signs in minutes on our site, and pre-drilled holes are available for easy installation. People often install these signs with wing brackets, or they can be installed directly on the mailbox or post.